Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you 20 diverse and lucrative ways to make money in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's something in this list for everyone. Let's explore these exciting opportunities in detail. 1. Dropshipping. Are you interested in setting up an online store without the hassle of holding inventory? Learn about dropshipping, a business model that allows you to sell products directly to customers without stocking the items yourself. Understand product sourcing, efficient order fulfillment, and the potential for high profit margins. 2. Facebook ads. Unlock the power of targeted advertising on the world's largest social media platform. Dive into the world of Facebook ads, understand audience insights, and learn how to optimize ad campaigns to maximize engagement and conversions for businesses. 3. Social media marketing. Discover the art and science of social media marketing. Whether it's becoming a social media manager or a consultant, learn strategies for creating compelling content, driving engagement, and interpreting analytics to enhance a company's online presence. 4. Affiliate marketing. Explore the world of affiliate marketing and learn how to turn your online presence into a revenue stream. Dive into different affiliate programs, understand effective marketing strategies, and discover how to earn commissions by promoting products. 5. Amazon FBA. Delve into the world of Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Learn about the benefits of selling products through Amazon's extensive network, including product sourcing, inventory management, and leveraging the platform's immense reach. 6. Copywriting. Master the art of persuasive writing through copywriting. Discover how compelling copy can drive sales, create engaging advertisements, and craft impactful marketing materials. Learn the psychology of persuasion and storytelling in marketing. 7. Crowdfunding. Are you looking to fund a creative project or business venture? Explore crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo. Dive into the art of creating compelling campaigns and engaging backers to bring your ideas to life. 8. Cryptocurrency. Dive into the world of digital currencies and blockchain technology. Understand the principles of trading, investment, and the potential of decentralized finance, DeFi, in the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency landscape. 9. E-commerce. Considering setting up your own online store? Learn about different e-commerce strategies and understand the essentials of user experience, branding, and exceptional customer service to thrive in the digital marketplace. 10. Email marketing. Master the art of creating engaging email campaigns that nurture leads and drive sales. Explore the power of segmentation, automation, and effective copywriting in crafting compelling email marketing content. 11. Forex and trading. Interested in the world of foreign exchange and stock trading? Dive into market analysis, risk management, and the principles of technical and fundamental analysis to navigate the complexities of the Forex and trading markets. 12. Funnel building. Explore the art of creating sales funnels that convert leads into customers. Understand the science behind landing page design, lead magnets, and the psychology of persuasion in marketing funnels to maximize conversions. 13. Google AdWords and Google Shopping leverage. Google's advertising platforms to reach potential customers. Understand keyword targeting, bidding strategies, and the art of creating compelling product listing ads to drive traffic and sales. 14. Investment and credit. Learn about different investment opportunities and the importance of building and maintaining good credit. Explore the principles of diversification and responsible borrowing to secure your financial future. 15. Messenger bot building. Discover the power of chatbots for customer service and marketing. Learn how to create automated conversational experiences on messaging platforms, enhancing customer engagement and support. 16. Personal brand building. Stand out in the competitive marketplace by developing your personal brand. Explore the art of content creation, networking, and establishing thought leadership to create a strong and memorable personal brand. 17. Print on demand. Interested in creating and selling custom-designed products without holding inventory? Explore the world of print on demand, including product selection, design creation, and optimizing product listings to maximize sales. 18. SEO, search engine optimization. Learn how to optimize websites and content to rank higher in search engine results. Dive into keyword research, on-page SEO, and effective backlink building strategies to enhance online visibility. 19. YouTube monetize your YouTube channel through ad revenue, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Learn about audience engagement and content creation best practices to enhance your YouTube revenue stream. 20. Self-building and investing. Invest in yourself through education, skill development, and personal growth. Explore investing in personal development resources and courses to enhance your skills and knowledge, ultimately increasing your earning potential. I have an exclusive offer for you. I'm giving away premium courses for free of each one of the money-making strategies we discussed today. You're going to find each link in the description. This is my way of giving back to you for your patience.